Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new lesson of social studies. So take out your social studies books and then take out page number 109, 109. Take out page number 109, lesson number 17, trees are best friend. Now in this lesson we are going to study about the importance of trees. Children, as you all know, before we begin with this lesson, I want to tell you something about trees. You all know that trees are very important in our life. Without trees, we cannot think of living on this earth. Life is not possible on this earth without trees. So nowadays you can see that people are cutting trees at a very, very fast rate. But what is the result of this? Our environment is getting polluted due to the cutting down of trees, because trees give us oxygen, which is the most important thing for us, like for human beings to survive on this earth. So if trees are not there, means we are not there. And so if we want to live, we have to protect the trees, as well as we have to grow more and more trees. So that is why trees are our best friend. Trees are our best friend, because this is the friend without whom we cannot survive. So let's start with this lesson. Before we begin reading with this lesson, let's do the questions which are given in the brown box. First one is like answer in yes or no. You have to put a tick or cross, or you can write yes or no. The first one is trees help to keep the environment cool. Yes, this is correct. They help to keep our environment cool. So we will put a tick, or you can write yes in the box. The second one is cutting of trees leads to soil erosion. This is also correct, because when we cut the trees, it leads to erosion of the soil. So this is correct, or you can write yes there. Number 3, when we cut more trees, we are cleaning the environment. This is wrong, because when we are cutting the trees, we are not cleaning the environment, we are polluting the environment. So this is wrong. Then number 4 is trees help us to breathe fresh air. Trees help us to breathe fresh air, like they give us oxygen. Yes, so this is correct. So write yes or put a tick in the box. Then the last one is, have you ever planted a tree? Yes. And if you have not, then plant a tree. That is very important in our life. So the first one is yes, second one is yes, third one is no, then fourth is yes, then fifth is again yes. Now let's start reading the lesson. It is difficult to imagine the environment without trees. Trees are the lungs of our planet. Let us see how they are important for our existence on Earth. Like, it is very difficult to imagine the environment without trees. Like, if trees are not there, then you see that environment is also not there. Trees are the lungs of our planet. Like, lungs help us to breathe. Lungs are a part of our body. Lungs help us to breathe. Similarly, trees are the lungs of our planet. On which planet are we living? We are living on the planet Earth. So, trees are the lungs of the Earth. So, without trees on Earth, life is not at all possible. Now, let us see why the trees are important for us. Why are trees important? If you ever walk down a park or open space filled with green trees, you will know how cool it feels. Like, suppose children, when you go for a morning walk to a park or wherever the green trees are planted, you will see that the cool breeze is blowing over there, and you feel very cool over there, and you feel it very peaceful over there. Why? Because of these trees. Because trees give us this cool air, this cool atmosphere. So that is why trees are very important for us. Trees help to keep our environment cool and green. Let us see some of their benefits. Like trees, what do they help us? They help in keeping our environment cool and green, because if trees are not there, what will happen? The environment will be hot, and in that much hot weather we will not be able to survive, and moreover if oxygen is not there, we will die. So now let's read about some of the important benefits of trees. Let's start with the first one. Trees breathe in carbon dioxide and breathe out oxygen. This means that the carbon dioxide released by humans and animals is absorbed by trees. In return, they release oxygen in the air, which is important for us. The first and most important thing which trees give us is that is oxygen. Like we human beings as well as animals, what do we breathe in? We breathe in oxygen. And what do we breathe out? We breathe out carbon dioxide. And that carbon dioxide which we breathe out, that is inhaled by the trees. And trees give out oxygen. They take in carbon dioxide released by the human beings and animals, and they release oxygen which is inhaled by the human beings and animals. Second is, trees keep the soil healthy by preventing soil erosion. They also provide nutrients to the soil as leaves and roots decay. Now, what do the trees help us? They help in keeping the soil healthy. How? Because if the trees are planted on a particular place, there the soil will remain healthy. The water will remain at its place, the underground water will remain at its place. The level of underground water will not go down. It will remain at an appropriate level, which will help in preventing soil erosion. And then they also provide, like when the faded leaves fall down or the roots decay, they become a part of nutrients to the soil. So trees help in preventing soil erosion. The next point is, trees provide food to us in the form of fresh fruits and vegetables. What more trees give us? They give us fruits and vegetables. Like we are eating vegetables and fruits every day. Who is giving us all those fresh fruits and vegetables? That is trees. Trees form the natural habitat of many animals, birds and insects. Here the word habitat has been colored in green color, means the meaning is given over there in your book. Habitat means natural home. Trees are a natural habitat, means the natural home of many animals. Many animals and birds live on the trees. Like birds make their nests on the trees. Monkeys and all live on the trees. So they are a natural home for all these birds, animals and insects. Trees provide the wood and pulp to make paper. Like we are using wood for making furniture and wood pulp for making paper. So all these things are provided by the trees. Now move on to the next page. The next point is, trees protect us in extreme weather. They provide us shade in summer and shelter during the rainy season. Like extreme weather means in a very hot weather. What do the trees help us in hot weather? Like in the summer season, what do they give us? They provide us shade. When we sit under the shade of a tree, we feel very cool, and shelter during the rainy season. Like if it is raining and you are going somewhere and it starts raining very heavily, and if you see a tree nearby, you will go and stand under the tree. So tree protects you from the rain also. It gives you shelter also. So now the next point is, they save water by preventing rapid evaporation from the soil. Like when the trees are planted, they help, like I told you before also, they help in maintaining the level of the underground water and help in preventing soil erosion. Trees play an important role in our life. Cutting of trees or deforestation disturbs the ecosystem and can be dangerous in the long run. Like trees play an important role in our life, as I have already told you. Like we have read so many points about the importance of trees. So that is why trees play a very important role in our life. They give us oxygen, they give us wood, they give us fruits, vegetables, rubber, gum, so many things. Medicines are also given to us by trees. Herbs, so many things are there which we get from trees. So that is why trees play a very important role in our life. So cutting of trees is also called deforestation. Cutting of trees is also called deforestation. It disturbs the ecosystem. Ecosystem means plants and animals together in a particular area. Underline this ecosystem and write the meaning over there in your books. Plants and animals together. When we cut the trees, what will happen? Animals will lose their shelter. Birds will lose their shelter. Soil will get eroded. So many things are there. Environment will get polluted. So many things are there which are going to harm us in our life in the long run. So we should take steps to protect the trees, and we should try to grow more and more trees.